Hey guys, in this week's episode, we're wandering deep into a forest, dealing with the coldest conditions we've seen yet this season, testing out some new gear, and of course doing our very best to stay warm and enjoy the outing. So stay tuned, this should be a fun one. Tons of little animal tracks. Can't tell exactly what they are, but if I had to guess, I'd say probably a fox.
I just gotta get up to that tree there. Getting kind of sketchy.
This is the bravest thing I've ever seen you do.
Well, I guess I'm sitting on it now. That's fun.
You gonna do a backflip?
No.
Currently just walking through this this dense forest looking for a decent clearing to set up our new tents. Yeah, piece of cake.
My feet at least.
I think it's upside down. Nice.
Just a couple poles. Slide.
Okay. Hard to do with the gloves on.
Okay, stop. More? Yeah.
Everyone, you got it.
I got it.
All right, it's in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that thing.
Oh damn, that's a nice dog.
Wow. Okay, this is huge. Now that we got the tent all set up, I'll give you a quick intro on exactly what it is. These are actually our very first canvas tents by a Norwegian company called Nord Tents. And what's cool about it is not pure cotton like a regular canvas tent, but it's called poly cotton. So it's infused with polyester. So it makes it stronger and lighter, but still all the benefits of the cotton. There we go. Woo. Beauty. That looks good too. 2 for 2. Can't believe that's a
It's
stove.
so tiny.
It weighs like 3 pounds.
No, that goes out here. Yeah.
There's one.
Oh, there you go.
A little trial and error, but we got her done. I mean, like, that's how light this is.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh.
I just hope I cut the wood small enough to fit in here. That's not bad. Oh.
Is this the same?
Yeah. Today's December 21st, so the shortest day of the year. And we get so fixated on setting up everything before the sun goes down that I forgot to mention that Chester's injured, so Chester's not with us. That's why he's not here. And it's the coldest day of the year. Currently minus 15 degrees outside, with the wind probably feeling like minus 25 Celsius. I'll put that in freedom units over here.
Yeah, it's supposed to get down to like minus 35.
Minus 30, minus 35? I think
like,
it
maybe?
feels like minus
Yeah.
35. It's gonna be freaking freezing tonight. We're gonna be making some ice out there, so let's get that fire going. Look at the sun. It's so cool.
Oh, beautiful.
Get it?
Yeah.
Is it fitting?
Let's go in or out though. That's what I need to know.
Good job.
Oh, don't take your hat off.
It's convenient. Right beside camp.
Holy.
Yeah.
Lots of birch.
It's starting to warm up in here a little bit. It's -1 Fahrenheit outside and 21 inside.
New UV glove.
Brand
Look
new
how
UV glove.
shiny it is.
You know, the old one was brown. This will be disgusting in no time. Maybe after this video. Okay. Well, yeah, we're good. So prep station. Almost 7. No, sorry, almost 6. Almost 6 o'clock. And we haven't had any food since breakfast. That's what happens sometimes when you're just out here. Anyways, it's time for dinner because I think we're both getting a little bit hangry. You're a little hangry. What are you cooking tonight?
I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. Alright, so we're gonna get dinner ready. I'm very excited about this new cooking kitchen kit that we got from Cabela's. We used to have all our stuff scattered in our bin, but this is awesome. Just try to stay organized.
As you drop 2
As
wires.
I drop things. Oh, did you not put the cutting board back? It's a great deal on brie. This giant one was only $8, which sounds like a lot of money, but usually half of this is like 12 at our grocery store because Canada is expensive. You're not supposed to eat the brine or grind, whatever you call it. Is it called brine?
Yeah, that's highly debatable. I don't like it, but people always comment that you should. But I don't.
You should eat it?
Oh, I don't know. People always
I
comment.
don't think it's like healthy. I think people just like do it. I don't think there's any health benefits. I'm pretty sure it's just what is the white stuff on brie? Someone tell me, because I have no idea. Is it wax? What is it?
Okay, so to all of our cheese eaters out there who like brie, First of all, what is the brine? Second of all, do you eat it and why?
Why do you eat it? Is it more convenient or do you like the taste?
I find it tastes kind of weird, so I like to cut it off for that reason, but...
I'm also butchering this, so... So to go along with our brie grilled cheese, we do cranberry sauce.
I think we're making Christmas.
We just love Thanksgiving so much.
No, it's Christmas dinner grilled cheese.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. I'm gonna pre-assemble them. That. Okay.
Careful here.
Yeah, I think I have to flip her. Come on.
Oh, oh.
It's too tight in there. This, I think, is the way to go. Here we go.
Nice. Those bad boys.
My hand's from... No, don't show my hand.
Greasy.
So greasy. Pretty ready. That was so quick.
That was quick.
Oh, let's do grilled cheese every time. I was going to say the F word, but F the 3-hour stews. So show a close-up of that delicious grilled cheese.
It actually does look pretty good. My mom, my aunt, my grandmother's always made turkey with stuffing and cranberry sauce, whether it was Thanksgiving or Easter, Christmas. And just this reminds me of that, this grilled cheese form, and it's just the best thing. It's so good. Is it appropriate to rate a grilled cheese a 10 or no?
I gave it an 11, so. For those of you wondering why Chester isn't here, he broke his nail, which seems like just a very minor thing. How would you describe it?
It's split.
It's split, and it's bleeding, and it's been 2 weeks, and it's not really healing. So we're just trying to prevent it from getting any worse.
This tends to happen in the winter months. I don't know why. We tried changing his food, so we'll see if that makes a difference.
Miss my Chester cuddles right now. He'd be keeping me warm. Although it's getting warm, we just added more logs, so.
Let's give it a minute.
Takes a second. Getting warm in here, but definitely not as warm as the diesel heater.
Well, I do think if we had hardwood, like really good dry hardwood, it would make a big difference. I couldn't find anything. Not stripping, these are snow pants.
Holy, it took me 5 seconds to get into bed. Your thing is a whole affair.
Quick temperature update. I don't know if you can see that. It's 19 degrees Celsius inside, minus 21 out. For our American friends, 66 freedom units inside and minus 6 outside. Anyways, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. We'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Good night. See if this really boils water in 100 seconds. I think our gas is a little frozen. You can see our flame is struggling down there. I don't know if it's because this is cold or if because this is empty. Good morning, everybody. It's chilly inside and out. Currently we got minus 20 degrees Celsius outside and 9 in here, so it's not too warm. It's warmer right beside the fire, but out by the walls it's pretty chilly.
Well, just going through our kitchen, we found our old coffee grinder / coffee maker, so we thought we'd bring it back and give it a try. I'm pretty sure it's from Winners. How it works, if I remember correctly, we have our grinder here. Cool. Now I remember why we don't use this anymore. First time trying some whole grain pancakes.
You got a whole grain?
Yeah.
Why?
Trying to be healthy.
Great.
Oh, they're breaking apart though when I lift it. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah!
These whole wheat pancakes.
Oh, we saved it.
There we go. Oh crap! Why did I always do that? This will be mine.
Hey.
Do you want more?
Yeah.
And that's it.
What do you think compared to like non-whole wheat?
I like them. Just as good.
Really?
Yeah. If you don't like them.
You like them just as much?
I do.
They're passable.
If I didn't tell you they were whole wheat, you might have not known.
Oh, you know, I would have known. You couldn't have fooled me.
Well, not captured on video, Adam actually said, oh, this is actually pretty good. So, make that known.
Allegedly. Okay, well, I don't think there's anything worse than taking down a tent for the first time and trying to get it to fit in the bag while it's like minus 20 something degrees outside, but
We did it.
got her done. Mostly here, I probably would have just thrown it in the sled and called her a day. On that note, Merry Christmas everybody, Happy Holidays, and we will see you guys in the new year.